Yay!
Excellent. Lovely. So the way this works, people...
These are the first steps when you find out very last minute that the trains are not working and you need to catch replacement bus to get to London for the screening of The World of Brick. So I need to use my super long legs, skip the mud and make my way to the train station extra fast to make it on time. How gorgeous is this place? We are now in Surbiton and I am just hoping that the bus keeps going so we get there in time. I can hear the drivers figuring out what's going on. I have no idea what's going on. Thank God we are not changing bus. We keep going. Yay! Oh my God! Made it! Look like I'll get there in time. Let's see. Nearly there. Just one more bus to catch and welcome to London Waterloo Station. Made it to the bus stop. Oh, 11 minutes the next bus, that's fine. I'll make it literally just on time. So, look like I've made it just in time to get to this event, which I'm really excited. So I'm just a few more steps to the location. I made it, despite all the challenges of the wonderful British public transport. I've made it. Now I'm looking for the location. I wonder if I passed Shoreditch Street. Oh, let's keep going. Look like I might have to check on the map. Oh no, it's here! Ooh, oh my God, it's so cool. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that's the exit. Wow, this place is so big. Ooh. Okay, look like it's Kino. So cool. Commentary about everything, you know.
It'd be interesting to see how people react to it.
Rebellion against the forces of modernity.